Let's look at Cybertruck update. This truck is one of Tesla's most delayed products. One of the main reasons people feel this way is because other companies are shipping their own trucks. The Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning have begun their first few thousand deliveries, and it has people wondering if Tesla is missing out their opportunity. Elon Musk does not believe that these delays make a difference. Every week, we see some progress from Tesla. We know that Everest has assembled the world's largest gigapress at 9,000 tons, and that this gigapress will be used for the Cybertruck body. A German publication reported that new system for the production of Cybertruck drive unit have been ordered from a German manufacturer. These manufacturers are said to be familiar with Tesla's vehicles and equipment, as they also supply components and equipment to Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai. The machinery needed for Cybertruck is under construction and will be deployed at Gigafactory Texas, around early July 2023. The device is said to be able to produce about 750,000 drives annually, which is somewhat in line with Elon Musk's previous estimates for the Cybertruck. Elon said Tesla could initially aim for annual production of 250,000 Cybertrucks a year. Tesla is closing in on Steam integration to take its gaming platform to a whole new level. We know that Tesla has invested heavily in integrating video games into its in-car entertainment system, but it surprised many even more when Tesla said earlier this year that it planned to go all the way to Valve's Steam, an online video game store and distribution platform, to integrate into their vehicles. This would lead to a massive increase in games that can be played in Tesla vehicles. This week, CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla is getting closer to achieving Steam integration and the automaker is aiming for a demonstration next month.
我们其实是想跟大家说，只有开电动车才能到那点儿。
Trenson Chongqing, a Chinese vlogger and Tesla Model Y owner in China, together with a friend recently traveled to Everest Base Camp in their Tesla Model X and Y. The two men embarked on a 1,500-mile journey from Chengdu to Everest to prove the true potential of electric vehicles. The pair modified Model Y and Model X for travel, so that they could survive the harsh environmental conditions. The Tesla supercharger network effectively made this journey possible. Currently, there are more than 8,700 supercharger stations in China, many of which are in remote areas. As they approached Everest, the traffic began to drop. However, the rugged terrain and highlands did not stop Model X and Y. Camp mode allowed the pair to sleep in their cars all night as there were no hotels nearby. The two men had to stop and recharge 9 times on their way to Everest. That means an average of over 160 miles on a single charge. 5 days later, they finally arrived at their destination, North Base Camp, at an altitude of 5,200 meters, 17,060 feet. Both machines were fully functional. It's a remarkable achievement for Tesla and electric vehicles in general. Panasonic is reportedly considering building a new battery plant in Kansas to supply Tesla with the new 4680 cells. Earlier this year, Panasonic was looking for a new large battery manufacturing plant site in the United States to build a new 4680 battery cell for Tesla. But now, a new report put Kansas at the final location. Nikkei, a Japanese trade magazine that frequently publishes useful information about Japanese companies such as Panasonic, has released a new report showing that the battery maker have chosen Kansas as their next battery plant in the United States. The Kansas factory is in a good location to supply cells to the new Tesla Gigafactory Texas in Austin. The factory is expected to require hundreds of gigawatt-hours of battery cells per year, at full capacity during the production of Cybertruck and Tesla Semi, as well as the current Model Y vehicle. Still on Panasonic, Panasonic is working on new innovations to increase cell density by 20% by 2030. These improvements could extend the reach of electric vehicles, even if they use the same batteries as today's batteries. For the Tesla Model Y, the increased energy density allows the vehicle to travel an additional 62 miles of range, without changing the size of the battery. Batteries with higher energy densities may also allow automakers to design and build lighter, more spacious, but longer-range electric vehicles. A 20% increase in energy density yields an energy density of 900 watt-hours per liter. This is a significant improvement over Panasonic's state-of-the-art batteries at 750 watt-hours per liter. Watanabe said Panasonic plans to increase battery density within a few years, but didn't mention when the upgraded cells would be rolled out. So far, a Panasonic spokesperson has declined to comment on whether the company's new battery technology will be used in the Tesla 2170 or 4680 cells. Tesla is also silent on this issue. Tesla chairman Robin Denham said Tesla plans to double the number of electric vehicles on Australian roads to more than 50,000 by the end of the year. When it comes to the automotive industry, Australia is often behind. However, Australia is Tesla's largest market for Powerwall, and household batteries are very popular there. However, due to strong demand for the Model Y, Tesla chair Denham believes the company's vehicles will catch up with the country's Powerwalls. She said, "Australia is in a very unique position from an energy perspective, in that we have more Powerwalls installed in Australia than we do have Teslas on the road." Tesla has delivered 26,500 cars in Australia over the last 3 years, Denham said, but the automaker believes that number could double later this year. "We now have more than 26,500 Teslas on Australian roads, and the momentum is there. I personally wouldn't be surprised if we double that number by the end of the year," Denham added. "This is so impressive, especially in a relatively small car market like Australia, which has 26 million inhabitants and purchases around 1 million cars a year. Tesla plans to add vehicles to Australian roads, more cars in 6 months than the past 3 years. Based on current production levels, Tesla is expected to ship between 750,000 to 1 million vehicles in the second half of this year. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing to help us grow, and also be part of our community here at Jexton Electric Channel, as we have a mission to take the charge of fighting against climate change by bringing the future of sustainable energy closer to our viewers and subscribers, showing that electric cars are the best cars in the world. For more news and update on EVs, subscribe to this channel. See you on our next EV News edition.